honest and straightforward. Can we care a little more before we run out of answers? 'Cause God only knows where the times went, and we can't wait till our lives end. So tell the truth and hope that they listen. Oh, notifying the world is our mission. What if they won't listen? What if they won't listen? Oh, guess we all have to count on forgiveness. Are we better than the past? And are we splitting ourselves last? Discriminate a little